China's Baidi White Emperor fighter jet, history, present, and future. Event overview. On January 13, 2015, a significant milestone in military aviation was marked by the unveiling and discussion of China's sixth-generation fighter jet, the Baidi White Emperor Baidi. This event highlighted not only the impressive technical advancements that the jet represents but also the strategic implications it carries for both regional and global military dynamics. The presentation of the Baidi was part of the ongoing Nantianmen Project, orchestrated by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China AVIC, which seeks to amplify China's aerospace capabilities in the face of growing geopolitical tensions. Historical context. The Baidi White Emperor is a product of a long history of Chinese aviation development, which has evolved significantly since the establishment of the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PF) in 1949. Over the decades, China has transitioned from relying on foreign technology to becoming a formidable player in the aerospace sector. The introduction of fifth-generation fighters like the Chengdu J has set the stage for further advancements, leading to the ambitious development of sixth-generation platforms. Key features and technologies. Design and aerodynamics. The Baidi showcases a sleek, blended wing body design aimed at minimizing radar cross-section and enhancing aerodynamic efficiency. This design is crucial for achieving stealth capabilities, allowing the jet to evade detection while conducting operations at various altitudes, including near-space environments. Propulsion and performance. The aircraft is purported to have supersonic capabilities, with reports suggesting it may eventually reach hypersonic speeds Mach 5. This performance is bolstered by advanced thrust vectoring engines, which provide enhanced maneuverability, critical in modern aerial combat scenarios. Artificial intelligence integration. A hallmark of the Baidi is its incorporation of artificial intelligence (AI) for flight control and combat operations. This technology enables the fighter to operate autonomously, making real-time decisions based on situational data. Such capabilities are reminiscent of cutting-edge developments seen in U.S. military platforms and represent a leap in battlefield autonomy. Networked warfare capabilities. The Baidi is designed to function within a network-centric warfare framework. This means it can communicate seamlessly with other military assets, including drones and ground units, enhancing overall situational awareness and operational effectiveness. Multirole functionality. The jet is envisioned as a multirole platform capable of executing air-to-air, air-to-ground, and near-space missions. Its modular design allows for rapid reconfiguration based on mission requirements, providing versatility in combat scenarios. Technical challenges and criticisms. Despite its ambitious design, the Baidi has faced skepticism regarding its technical feasibility. Critics have pointed out several areas of concern. Engine technology. Historically, China has encountered challenges with its jet engine technology. Questions remain about whether the PF can produce the high-performance engines required for a sixth-generation fighter. Stealth features. Some analysts have raised doubts about the effectiveness of the jet's stealth capabilities, particularly with its vertical tail structures and sharp design elements, which may compromise radar evasion. Production and deployment. Given the complexity of the technologies involved, doubts linger on whether the Baidi will transition from a mock-up to a fully operational aircraft within a realistic timeframe. Event timeline. November 2024. The Baidi White Emperor was first showcased at the 15th China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, sparking international interest and speculation regarding its capabilities and implications. December 2024. Further technical details were released, emphasizing the fighter's advanced features and operational roles, solidifying its position as a key element in China's future military strategy. Strategic implications. The Baidi White Emperor is not just a technological marvel. It signifies China's intent to challenge existing military paradigms, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. As the U.S. and its allies work on their sixth-generation fighter initiatives, the emergence of the Baidi could alter the balance of air superiority. Regional security dynamics. The introduction of the Baidi is expected to influence security dynamics in the Asia-Pacific, particularly concerning Taiwan and the South China Sea. Its capabilities may serve as a deterrent against adversaries and bolster China's power projection. 2. Global military competition. The development of such advanced military technology underscores the intensifying arms race among global powers. The Baidi's capabilities in near-space operations hint at a future where air and space warfare become increasingly intertwined. 3. Impacts on defense policies. Countries within the region may need to reassess their defense strategies and alliances in light of China's advancements. This could lead to increased military spending and collaboration among U.S. allies. Conclusion. The Baidi White Emperor represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities, encapsulating the nation's ambitions to lead in aerospace technology. While it faces technical challenges and skepticism, the development of this sixth-generation fighter jet has profound implications for military strategy and global security. As China continues to advance its aerospace capabilities, the international community must closely monitor these developments and their potential impact on the balance of power in the region and beyond. Through the Baidi, China aims not only to showcase its technological prowess but also to redefine the future of air combat and military operations, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of aerial warfare. The concept of China's Baidi White Emperor sixth-generation fighter jet has generated significant interest and skepticism in military and aviation circles, highlighting both ambitious technological aspirations and serious practical challenges. Here are some counterintuitive insights derived from the information provided. Space-able versus conventional fighter. While the White Emperor is billed as a space-capable fighter, the feasibility of such an aircraft operating effectively in both the atmosphere and outer space is highly questionable. The technical challenges associated with thermal management, propulsion, and maintaining stealth capabilities in varying atmospheric conditions could render the dual-purpose design more aspirational than practical. This contrasts with the historical development of fighter jets, which typically focus on optimizing performance for a specific operational environment. 2. Design complexity and stealth. The design features of the Baidi, including vertical tails and sharp angles, may compromise its stealth capabilities, which is counterintuitive given that sixth-generation fighters are expected to maximize stealth. Conventional wisdom suggests that less angular, more blended designs enhance radar evasion, yet this aircraft's design choices seem to prioritize maneuverability over stealth, raising questions about its real-world effectiveness against advanced radar systems. 3. AI and pilot autonomy. The emphasis on artificial intelligence for real-time decision-making challenges traditional notions of pilot involvement in combat scenarios. While AI can enhance situational awareness and operational effectiveness, the idea of fully autonomous combat missions raises ethical and operational concerns. This shift could mean a greater reliance on technology diverging from decades of human-centric aerial combat strategy, which traditionally prioritizes pilot training and decision-making skills. SOAR mock-up versus reality. The Baidi has been presented as a cutting-edge mock-up, but the leap from a physical mock-up to an operational aircraft often involves overcoming significant technical hurdles. The skepticism around the practicality of such a design is noteworthy, especially when comparing it to the U.S. military's approach, which tends to focus on developing and revealing fully operational prototypes rather than conceptual models. This raises questions about the timeline and feasibility of bringing such an advanced aircraft to fruition. 5. Strategic implications. The development of the Baidi signifies China's ambition to reshape air superiority dynamics, yet it also reflects the nation's historical struggles with advanced aerospace technology, particularly in engine development. The juxtaposition of showcasing such a high-tech fighter while grappling with foundational technological challenges suggests a disparity between ambition and capability, contrasting with Western perceptions of rapid advancements in military aviation. 6. Networked warfare. The integration of networked warfare capabilities within the Baidi is presented as a strategic advantage, but the complexities of real-time data sharing and coordination among multiple units introduce vulnerabilities. While the concept aligns with modern combat principles, the reality of maintaining secure and effective communication in contested environments could limit the operational advantages touted by the design. 7. Market perception and geopolitical factors. The unveiling of the Baidi at international airshows is as much about signaling geopolitical intent as it is about showcasing technological prowess. The potential for misdirection where the display serves more as a propaganda tool than a reflection of actual capability adds a layer of complexity to the understanding of China's military ambitions. This contrasts with the often straightforward assessments of Western military capabilities, where operational transparency is more common. Bad expectations versus reality of hypersonic technology. Claims regarding hypersonic capabilities raise eyebrows, as achieving and maintaining such speeds involves overcoming significant engineering challenges, including material science and thermal protection. The public perception of hypersonics may outpace the actual readiness of such technologies, leading to discrepancies in expectations regarding the fighter's performance. In summary, while the Baidi White Emperor represents a bold vision for China's military aviation future, numerous counterintuitive factors highlight the complexities and challenges inherent in developing such advanced technology. The balance between ambition and feasibility, along with the implications for global military dynamics, remains a critical area for ongoing analysis and scrutiny. The report on China's Baidi White Emperor fighter jet provides a wealth of information, but there are several critical aspects that may be overlooked, which hold significant implications for military strategy, international relations, and technological advancements. 1. Integration of air and space capabilities. The Baidi White Emperor is presented as an integrated space-air platform. This ambition to merge air and space operations is a significant leap in military aviation technology, positioning China to potentially dominate not just aerial combat but also near-space engagements. Most discussions focus on the fighter's technological features, but this integration reflects a broader military strategy that emphasizes multi-domain operations. Such capabilities could redefine combat scenarios, making traditional air combat strategies obsolete and necessitating new doctrines for engagement and response. 2. Artificial intelligence (AI) in combat operations. A major aspect of the Baidi's design is its reliance on AI for autonomous and semi-autonomous operations. While many reports highlight the technical features, the implications of AI in military aviation are profound. The ability of AI to process real-time data, assess threats, and execute maneuvers without human input could shift the balance in combat scenarios. This capability raises ethical and strategic questions about warfare, including the reliability of AI decision-making in high-stakes situations and the potential for reduced human oversight in critical combat decisions. Moreover, it reflects a trend towards increased automation in military operations that could lead to faster engagement times and potentially higher casualty rates. 3. Networked warfare capabilities. The Baidi's emphasis on networked warfare, enabling seamless communication and coordination with other military assets, could significantly enhance the effectiveness of Chinese military operations. This aspect, while mentioned briefly, has far-reaching implications for the future of warfare. In conflict scenarios, the ability to share data in real time among various platforms enhances situational awareness and strategic coordination. This capability might also pose challenges for adversaries who must counter not just the fighter itself, but also an integrated network of combat systems. It emphasizes the need for adversaries to develop countermeasures that can disrupt these networks, fundamentally altering the nature of air combat. 4. Skepticism around technological feasibility. While the Baidi represents an ambitious vision for future combat aircraft, there is significant skepticism regarding China's ability to deliver on these promises, particularly concerning engine technology and thermal management. Historical challenges in these areas suggest that the actual operational capabilities of the Baidi may lag behind its conceptual design. The implications of this skepticism are twofold. First, it raises questions about the reliability of Chinese military assessments and capabilities. Second, it underscores the necessity for adversaries to remain vigilant, as overestimating China's advancements could lead to strategic miscalculations. 5. Impact on global military balance. The introduction of the Baidi fighter jet, with its claimed capabilities, could alter the global military balance, particularly in contested regions such as the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. The report hints at its potential to challenge U.S. and Allied air superiority, but this is a significant undercurrent that deserves more emphasis. The aircraft could enhance China's power projection capabilities, allowing for a more assertive military posture in regional disputes. This could provoke an arms race in the Asia-Pacific region, as neighboring countries may feel compelled to accelerate their own military upgrades to counter the perceived threat from the Baidi. 6. Sociopolitical implications of military displays. The unveiling of the Baidi at international airshows is not merely a showcase of technological prowess. It serves as a tool of soft power, projecting an image of rising military capability and technological innovation. This has implications for international relations, as it shapes perceptions of China's military ambitions among global powers. The significance of military displays in shaping geopolitical narratives should not be underestimated, as they can influence diplomatic relations and defense policies in other nations. Conclusion. The Baidi White Emperor fighter jet represents a convergence of advanced technologies and strategic military aspirations that could reshape the future of aerial combat and international military dynamics. By focusing on overlooked aspects such as the integration of air and space capabilities, the implications of AI in warfare, and the socio-political narratives surrounding military displays, one can appreciate the broader significance of this development beyond the technical specifications. As nations evaluate their military strategies in light of such advancements, the need for adaptive tactics and innovative countermeasures will only increase, marking a new chapter in global military affairs. In-depth analysis of the Baidi White Emperor fighter jet. The Baidi White Emperor, China's ambitious sixth-generation fighter jet, presents a fascinating case study of current military aerospace technology and strategic implications. Here are the four most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Technological innovation and design features. The Baidi White Emperor is designed with a blend of advanced technologies that aim to enhance its operational capabilities. Key features include stealth and aerodynamics. The jet boasts a streamlined, blended wing body design that theoretically optimizes stealth and maneuverability. Its aerodynamic shape is crucial for reducing radar cross-section, which is a significant factor in modern aerial combat. Artificial intelligence integration. Central to the Baidi's functionality is its AI-driven capabilities, allowing for semi-autonomous or fully autonomous operations. This includes real-time data processing for threat assessment and decision-making, which could revolutionize engagement tactics in combat scenarios. Multirole functionality. The jet is designed for versatile operations capable of air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, and near-space missions. This adaptability reflects a broader trend in military aviation towards multifunctional platforms that can respond to diverse operational demands. 2. Strategic implications of aerospace dominance. The development of the Baidi White Emperor aligns with China's broader military strategy to achieve dominance in both air and space. Key considerations include power projection. By developing a fighter capable of near-space operations, China aims to enhance its power projection capabilities, particularly against regional adversaries and in contested maritime zones. The Baidi could potentially operate at altitudes that provide strategic advantages, complicating enemy defense systems. Technological rivalry. The emergence of the Baidi represents a challenge to existing military powers, particularly the United States. As countries invest heavily in their sixth-generation fighters, the dynamics of air superiority could shift, prompting a reevaluation of defense strategies among competitors. Integrated warfare strategies. The Baidi's networked warfare capabilities enable seamless integration with other military assets, facilitating coordinated operations across air, land, and maritime domains. This reflects a significant shift towards integrated military strategies that leverage real-time data and interconnectivity for enhanced battlefield effectiveness. Technical challenges and feasibility. Despite its ambitious design and capabilities, the Baidi White Emperor faces significant technical hurdles that could impact its development and operational viability. Engine technology and performance. One of the primary concerns for the Baidi is its propulsion system. Historical challenges faced by China in developing reliable and high-performance engines could hinder the jet's operational capabilities, particularly regarding supersonic flight and efficiency during extended missions. Stealth compromises. Analysts have raised questions about the design aspects that may negatively affect the aircraft's stealth characteristics, such as its vertical tails and sharp angles. These features could increase radar visibility, potentially undermining one of the key advantages of sixth-generation fighters. Practical implementation of AI. While the integration of AI presents significant advantages, the practical application of autonomous systems in combat remains complex and uncertain. Issues such as cybersecurity, reliability, and the ethics of autonomous warfare must be addressed before AI can be fully trusted in combat scenarios. 4. Global defense landscape and future considerations. The Baidi White Emperor is poised to influence the global defense landscape significantly. Several factors warrant consideration. International response and arms race. The development of the Baidi may trigger an arms race, as other nations seek to enhance their aerial combat capabilities to counter China's advancements. This could lead to increased military spending and a renewed focus on developing next-generation fighters worldwide. Geopolitical dynamics. The Baidi's capabilities could alter the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region, particularly in relation to Taiwan and the South China Sea. As China seeks to assert its influence, the Baidi could play a crucial role in shaping regional security dynamics and international relations. Ethical and legal implications. The introduction of AI-driven combat systems raises important ethical and legal questions regarding warfare. Discussions about the implications of autonomous weapons systems, including accountability and the potential for escalation, will become increasingly relevant as technology evolves. Conclusion. The Baidi White Emperor fighter jet embodies China's aspirations in modern aerospace technology, with implications that extend beyond national defense into global strategic dynamics. As it progresses from mock-up to potential operational status, the jet's development will be closely watched not only for its technological advancements but also for its impact on international military balance and security paradigms. Understanding these elements will be crucial for stakeholders in defense, policy, and international relations as they navigate the complexities of modern warfare and diplomacy. 1. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor, developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force, is a fifth-generation fighter jet that features advanced stealth capabilities, supercruise, the ability to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners, and unmatched agility and situational awareness. Officially introduced in the early 2000s, the F-22 was designed to establish air superiority and dominate the battlefield through advanced technologies, including an integrated avionics system, low observable characteristics, and a thrust vectoring system that enhances maneuverability. The F-22's development faced significant challenges, including budget overruns and technical hurdles, but it ultimately became a cornerstone of U.S. air power, shaping modern aerial combat strategies and inspiring subsequent generations of fighter aircraft. The Boeing X-37. The Boeing X-37, an uncrewed spaceplane developed by the U.S. Air Force, represents a significant advancement in military aerospace technology. First launched in 2010, the X-37 is designed for long-duration missions in low Earth orbit, capable of conducting a variety of experiments and tests in space. Its ability to land like a conventional aircraft after completing missions showcases its versatility and potential for future military applications. The X-37's secretive nature and capabilities have drawn attention and speculation regarding its potential roles in reconnaissance, satellite operation, and even space warfare, paralleling the ambitions of China's Baidi White Emperor in exploring integrated airspace capabilities. The Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multinational, multirole fighter jet developed by a consortium of European aerospace companies. It entered service in the early 2000s and was designed to fulfill a variety of roles, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. The Typhoon incorporates advanced technologies such as a canard delta wing configuration for superior maneuverability, a sophisticated avionics suite, and a high thrust-to-weight ratio for agility in combat. Like the Baidi White Emperor, the Typhoon emphasizes versatility and adaptability in various combat scenarios, reflecting the ongoing evolution of air combat capabilities in response to modern warfare's demands. The Eurofighter's development faced challenges related to costs, timelines, and international cooperation, which are similar considerations for China's ambitious fighter projects. Future outlook: China's Baidi White Emperor fighter jet. The introduction of China's Baidi White Emperor fighter jet marks a significant milestone in the evolution of military aviation, particularly as it pertains to sixth-generation capabilities. The Baidi is not merely a technological advancement. It embodies China's strategic ambitions in asserting aerospace dominance and enhancing its military capabilities. Predictions for technological advancements. Enhanced AI integration. The Baidi is expected to lead the way in AI-driven military applications. Future iterations will likely see even deeper integration of artificial intelligence, allowing for fully autonomous operations. These systems will process vast amounts of battlefield data in real time, enabling the aircraft to make independent operational decisions, perform complex maneuvers, and effectively engage targets without direct pilot input. Advancements in stealth technology. As nations continue to refine their stealth technologies, the Baidi will likely see improvements in radar-absorbing materials and shapes that minimize radar cross-sections. Future models may incorporate adaptive camouflage technologies that change characteristics based on environmental conditions, further enhancing survivability against enemy detection. Hypersonic capabilities. The Baidi is anticipated to push the boundaries of speed, with potential for hypersonic flight Mach 5 and beyond. This capability could revolutionize air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, providing a significant strategic advantage over adversaries. Such advancements will facilitate rapid response to threats and the capability to conduct long-range strikes. Network-centric warfare. Future versions of the Baidi are expected to take full advantage of network-centric warfare principles, allowing for seamless integration with other military assets, including drones and ground units. This interconnectedness will enable a more cohesive and responsive military strategy, enhancing command and control capabilities on the battlefield. Directed energy weapons. The integration of directed energy weapons, such as lasers, is likely to become a standard feature in the Baidi's arsenal. These weapons will offer precise targeting options against various threats, from incoming missiles to enemy aircraft, and will minimize logistical burdens associated with traditional munitions. Strategic implications. Regional power dynamics. The emergence of the Baidi will inevitably alter the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. Its advanced capabilities could deter potential adversaries, particularly in contested areas like the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait, where air superiority is crucial. The aircraft could serve as a catalyst for an arms race, prompting neighboring countries to accelerate their own defense programs. Global military influence. The Baidi could enhance China's status as a global military power. By showcasing advanced aviation technology, China aims to position itself as a leader in aerospace innovation. This shift may lead to increased partnerships with other nations seeking to modernize their air forces, thereby expanding China's geopolitical influence. Potential for new combat strategies. The capabilities of the Baidi may lead to the development of new combat strategies that leverage its strengths in both air and near-space operations. This includes potential roles in anti-satellite asset capabilities and multi-domain operations that integrate air, space, and cyber warfare. Challenges and countermeasures. While the Baidi represents a leap forward, it will also face challenges. The United States and its allies are likely to invest in countermeasures and advanced detection technologies. Efforts to develop systems that can detect and target stealth aircraft will shape the future battlefield landscape. While international arms control discussions, the introduction of advanced systems like the Baidi may prompt renewed discussions on international arms control and military transparency. As nations grapple with the implications of emerging technologies, dialogues around regulating hypersonic weapons and AI in military applications may gain traction. Conclusion: the Baidi White Emperor fighter jet stands at the forefront of a new era in military aviation, with its potential to redefine air combat and alter regional dynamics. As China continues to invest in this program, the implications for global military strategy, technological innovation, and international relations will be profound. The future of air dominance may very well depend on how effectively nations adapt to the advancements embodied by the Baidi and its successors. As these developments unfold, they will inevitably shape the strategic landscape of the coming decades.